Good morning, all of you. Hydroxy compounds called alcohol. In this video, we are going to discuss about two types of oxidation. One is Swan oxidation, another one is biological oxidation. First, we are going to discuss about Swan oxidation. In this oxidation, the oxidizing agent used is DMSO. Nothing but dimethyl sulfoxide. Dimethyl sulfoxide. The oxidizing agent used is dimethyl sulfoxide. And in Swan oxidation, the alcohol, either primary or secondary, the alcohol is treated with the oxidizing agent dimethyl sulfoxide and oxalyl chloride from oxalic acid, oxalyl chloride, followed by the addition of triethylamine, C2H5 thrice N, an example of textidamine, N, N dimethyl ethanamine, N, N dimethyl ethanamine. The oxalyl chloride is obtained from oxalic acid. Oxalic acid molecular formula COOH, COOH. If two OH group are replaced by chlorine, we will get COCl, COCl. This is oxalyl chloride. What is dimethyl sulfoxide? CH3 dimethyl twice SO. That means S double bond O. From sulfur dioxide, one oxygen is replaced by 2-methyl. Now I start to write the reaction. A secondary alcohol, propanol, propyl alcohol, CH3, CHOH, isopropyl alcohol, CH3, 2-propanol. When treated with dimethyl CH3, S double bond O, CH3 and oxalyl chloride, Cl, C double bond O, C double bond O, Cl. In presence of triethylamine. What is the molecular formula? C2H5 thrice N, triethylamine. The alcohol taken in this reaction is secondary alcohol, we know. DMSO, dimethyl sulfoxide, oxalyl chloride. 3-carbon propyl single bond N OH all, position of OH is 2, isopropyl alcohol. Now undergo oxidation reaction. We know secondary alcohol undergo oxidation gives a ketone. 1H plus and 1Cl minus removed as HCl. This bond is shifted between carbon and oxygen. Here also carbon-carbon bond cleavage takes place. This bond is shifted towards carbon monoxide is removed. And this H minus hydride ion, because of bond shifting, H is removed as hydride ion, combined with the Cl plus. This is Cl plus. One molecule of HCl, another molecule of HCl, one carbon monoxide and one carbon dioxide, C double bond O, C double bond O. What is the main product obtained? The solvent acetone. Now write the main product here, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. Acetone, dimethyl ketone, propanone, plus dimethyl sulfur, CH3, twice we have only S, dimethyl sulfur, plus one molecule of carbon dioxide, CO2, one molecule of carbon monoxide, CO, and here one HCl, here one HCl, 2 HCl are removed. So in this reaction, the secondary alcohol is oxidized into a ketone acetone. The IUPAC name of the given compound, the product is 3-carbon prop, carbon-carbon single bond N, ketone one, propanone. Now, we are going to discuss the biological oxidation method. Biological oxidation. The fermentation of food consumed by animal produces alcohol. To detoxify the alcohol, the liver produces an enzyme called alcohol dehydrogenase. Alcohol dehydrogenase. ADH. Alcohol dehydrogenase. And the oxidizing agent used in this reaction is nicodinamide. Nicodinamide, an oxidizing agent. Adenine. Adenine. Dinucleotide. Dinucleotide. NAD. So here NAD acts as an oxidizing agent, and ADH that catalyzes the oxidation of toxic alcohol into non-toxic aldehyde. Reaction is simple reaction. Primary alcohol undergo oxidation gives an aldehyde. Ethyl alcohol CH3 CH2OH, ethyl alcohol, a primary alcohol, ethanol, when treated with NAD plus in presence of ADH. One hydrogen from the alcoholic group is added with this plus, and another hydrogen is act as a plus. One hydrogen from the functional group, another hydrogen from the functional group attached to carbon atom are removed. One hydrogen is added to NAD and gives NADH. Another hydrogen is present as such H plus. Alcohol is oxidized into non-toxic aldehyde. Non-toxic aldehyde. IUPAC name of the reactant and product are 2-carbon eth single bond N OH all ethanol. 2-carbon eth single bond N aldehyde ale, ethanol. One more point I want to tell in this biological oxidation is the biological oxidation of methanol and ethanol in the body produces the corresponding aldehyde. Methanol gives formaldehyde, ethyl alcohol gives acetaldehyde, followed by the acid. At the times, the alcoholics by mistake drink ethanol mixed with methanol, also called denatured alcohol. Ethanol mixed with methanol, if we drink, it is called denatured alcohol. In the body, methanol is oxidized first to methanol, formaldehyde, methanol, and then to methanoic acid, formic acid, which may cause blindness and death. A methanol poisoned patient is treated with by giving intravenous infusions of diluted ethanol. If methanol poisoned person, the methanol poisoned person is treated with ethanol, the enzyme responsible for the oxidation of aldehyde HCHO to acid is swapped, allowing time for kidney to excrete methanol. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. In this video, we completed Swan oxidation and biological oxidation. Thank you for watching. If you like, please subscribe. Thank you very much.